today?
Hello, Vita.
I would love to hear about what is your favorite energy tool?
So my favorite tool would be the rose because there's so many diverse ways that you can use it.
What's your favorite way?
So my favorite way would be every night I like to use it as a way to clean my space before I go to bed. So I sometimes will talk to lots of people throughout my day. And so I'll imagine them one by one and see what color rose comes to mind for them and use it as like a broom to sweep up their energy all throughout me. And then I just imagine it flying over to them and this beautiful rose exploding their energy back to them and giving them theirs. And then I'll do that over and over until I get through everybody throughout the day. And then I imagine a sun above my head and I collect all of myself back from everywhere I've left me during the day. So I love it as a way to kind of clean my space and know what's mine and what's everyone else's.
That sounds great. So what does that feel like? How do you experience that?
I would say I just feel so much lighter. Like I feel so much before I go to bed, I like to feel a peace that that day is complete. And also knowing that I'm not holding on to any of them either. So they can also be complete.
Excellent. That is a great way to complete your day. Well, that's great. Do you have a favorite story of when you've used the rose or in particular?
Yeah, I had a fun one the other day. So I used to be kind of a nervous driver, but I started putting the rose in all the points of my car, and it just makes me feel very safe, very contained. So the other day, a car was getting closer and closer and closer to me to the point where they were right on my tail, and I just didn't like how it felt. So I imagined my rose just pushing them back, pushing them back, pushing them back, and as I imagined it, that car moved right back. So it was fun watching it happen in real time.
That is excellent. Awesome. Do you have any tips or tricks you want to share with people just wanting to try the rose?
I would say have fun with it. How Jim always says, you can't do it wrong. So come from a playful, excited space and just see what happens for you.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.